In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the Disney Plus bundle with Verizon through the free offer. To get started, open your web browser and sign in to your My Verizon account. Make sure you're using the account that manages your eligible Verizon plan, since that's where the entertainment perks and promotional offers will appear. If you have multiple lines or multiple Verizon services, it's a good idea to double check that you're in the correct account before moving forward. Once you're signed in, look for the section called Products and Plan Perks, and then go into Entertainment. This is where Verizon lists streaming and media offers that may be included with your plan. Inside that section, find Disney Plus or the available Disney Bundle offer. Depending on your plan and the current layout of the site, the wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the Disney-related offer tied to Verizon. When you see it, click Get It Now. Verizon will then show you a summary of the offer, including what's included and any important eligibility details. Take a moment to review that page carefully so you understand exactly what you're activating. After that, click Continue to move ahead. Next, you'll need to accept the terms and conditions. This is a standard step, but it's important because it confirms the details of the enrollment and how the offer is applied to your account. After accepting the terms, click Enroll in Disney Plus. Once the enrollment begins, choose Go to Disney. This takes you from Verizon's side of the process to Disney's activation page, where you'll connect the offer to your Disney account. At this point, sign in with your existing Disney account if you already have one. If you don't, you can create a new account during this step. From there, simply follow the remaining prompts to finish activation. The final screens may ask you to confirm your account details or complete setup for the bundle, and once that's done, your access should be ready to use. As a quick tip, if something doesn't look right during setup, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in before repeating the steps. It also helps to complete the process in one session so the enrollment links don't expire or time out. And that's it. Once everything is confirmed, you should be successfully signed up for the Disney Plus bundle with Verizon using the free offer.